So, you eat exotic food. This is the crocodile here. We call it halo, the small crocodile.
Smoked crocodile.
Yeah. It's halo. It's nice. Are you sure?
It's nice.
When
It's
you-
spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. You need to
But it's
be
good.
careful. It's good?
It's spicy but good.
Then you rate it 1 to 10.
7.
7. Seem like the crocodile. The taste seems like the crocodile in Thailand.
No, different.
Different. In Thailand is good.
Yeah.
Because this one they make it adobo. They make adobo and yeah, they put this color from the tree. We call it aswete. That is the fresh aswete.
It's just got a lot of bones in it.
Yeah, because it's small crocodile. Can you show me? Ooh, this is the adobo crocodile, small crocodile. We call it halo. Halo is namit-namit. Namit lang. Only one namit.
Yeah.
Okay, namit. It's not namit-namit, but it's namit. Yeah, baby? It's not namit-namit, but
This
it's
is-
namit.